Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the GUA SHA tool, which is going to help release tension in your face. This is especially great if you tend to hold a lot of stress in your neck, face, or have headaches and migraines. So you're going to take this GUA SHA tool. I'm using this jade stone. I can link it below in case you are interested in purchasing one. But we're first going to start off by working in horizontal lines. So we're going to work away from midline to lateral. So we're going to start by getting that gua sha close to our nasal bone, and then we're just going to apply moderate pressure and maintain that as you go out all the way to the side. Now you're going to go all the way down your face and go all the way to your ear. And then you're going to do that several times. Now I notice a lot of people I see with headaches and migraines or having facial pain tend to have a lot of tension here. So this is a really great tool to help release tension in your face. And then you're going to do the other side. So again, you're just going to grab the tool, start from midline, and then go laterally. You're going to do that for about 15 to 20 times each side. Now it should feel pretty nice. You might notice certain areas that have more tension than others. So if you notice those areas are more tight, you can spend a little bit more time in on them. You can even like kind of slow down your pressure and sink into those tight areas. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to release the side of your neck. So if you're going to release the side of your neck, again, you're going to start at the base of your skull and you're going to go all the way down. So you're going to go all the way down. So when I do this, I kind of like to side bend my neck, and I'm using that gua sha tool as I go all the way down. So again, I can start below my jawline and go all the way down. Now I'm using this edge. You could also use this edge if you want, but I like this one a lot better. And again, you're going to do that for about 10 to 15 times. So this is great if you tend to hold a lot of tension in your neck, like your scalenes, your upper traps, your levator scapulae. And I like to do this on a daily basis. You can even go all the way into the front. So again, I'm just going to lift up my chin. You're going to drag all the way down. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So right now you can probably tell my scalenes are a little bit tight right there. I'm just going to work a little bit there. Then we'll do the other side. So I recommend doing this every day. Again, if you have any headaches or just muscle tightness or poor posture and you want to help self-release your muscles, I really like this tool. So this is how to use that gua sha tool. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.